record for the biggest views
you
on
guys
the
hold the record. No one broke it. Fake OGs try to break it, but you gotta do some work.
I told these guys.
Work. You gotta do some work.
Introverted can't make friends. Pray for better days. Now it's 300K when my day ends. Do you remember last night? Cause I blacked out in that all white dress with a back out. Said be careful with a heart cause it's fragile. Thinking about a past, make a lash out. See with me, it ain't no worries at all. Any problem, I'll be there in one call. If you locked in, you my dog. Finna you hang pictures on my wall.
Hello, what is going on? Up next, trades. Today we have a very special video on our hands. We're going to be talking about major trend trading, guys, so you guys can form together a strategy that makes you profits in the short term, in the long term, and in any type of market. When they say the past is not an indication of the future, that is not entirely true, man. Today we're going to be looking at certain RSIs that actually goes against this and showing you how you can put together a strategy where you can make profits in the short term and the long term. And then after that, guys, for your favorite part, we're going to be talking to you about the project of the day, which for today is BSCBAY. You guys saw it on the other channel, that video went live, but it's only right we also bring it on Up Next Trade. So without further ado, major trend trading, BSCBAY. Let's get into it, guys. So here, guys, as you could see right over here, the major trend trading. Today we're going to be talking about major trend trading, and the idea behind this, guys, is identifying main trends in certain cryptocurrency prices or any stock prices, anything that we're trading, and we want to upset a bunch of trades in this trend actually, guys. And using this trend, we want to create ourselves a profitable strategy, as I said earlier, and you just need to set the right regions, guys. So looking at this right over here, you guys could take a nice outlook at what I'm doing. Boom, fellas, major trend trading. You use your daily candles, and as we can see, this is the Bitcoin and future markets. So we actually created this major downtrend that we presume could foresee, like as we said, no bullish confirmations on the Bitcoin chart. So looking at it right over here, no bullish confirmations. I have my RSI set. We're still in bearish territory. So let's actually talk about how we do this major trend. And this major trend, guys, was actually determined, or should I say confirmed, at the bearish cross. So right over here, you guys could see that I'm doing the bearish cross right here on the 50 and the 200 EMs market, and this really confirms the bearish trend. And from this point on, guys, we're allowed to trade on the bear side of things for the certain, right? So we want to identify the points where the price action is close to, or like per se extremely close within the 1% certain trend. So right over here, we made sure of that. We're able to short right. So an example trade for this type of trading would be, let's say, guys, right over here, as you guys can see on the right side, we're looking at the difference between the percentage bits on this week. So there's about 1 to 2% around where you could actually find to short the market at this very exact moment. And just because, guys, well, the worst case scenario, if we take a short position at this week, our stop loss is going to be slightly above this certain point, guys, this certain trend line that I'm putting in play right here. And we don't want to or expect to cross up. We're actually getting bearish RSIs. Looking at this chart right over here, as you guys can see, it's diverging on the RSI, probably looking to see some bearish action, because if you actually look at the RSIs, guys, even though the RSIs produce, you see some bullish price action. And right over here, our price was just stable, which means there's no bearish continuation, and then what we could expect is a bearish downwards trend. So if we're actually to make this trade at every candle that we played out, we would actually be making this trade and taking our profits as different levels, guys. So we talked about the Fibonacci again from the peak to the previous low right over here, which was right here. So actually take the profit levels would be determined by this, right? Or you could actually aim for this bottom, or like the smaller bottom right over here, which would give you other take profit levels, right? So this bottom right over here, you could hit different profit targets, almost hit right. So use the feminine tracement tool as I'm using right over here, and we're allowed to determine our taking profit levels. So over time, guys, this really puts together a strategy when it comes to major trend trading, that you could use multiple techniques. Guys, all that matters, or the most important thing that matters, is getting confirmations from the EMA. And what I would suggest is, for the entrance point, guys, I would go to the 45-minute time frame, and we'll be looking to trade this right at the right moment as they're overlapping each other multiple times, like right here, guys. So this is a call that we're making, stabilizing slash fake account, and then dump into this right part right over here. And it's very important to make sure that it's a winning trade, because once you have everything set, once your trends are really establishing a pattern, you guys could use and put together a really good profit margin. As I said it, guys, it takes time. It takes time to put together these awesome techniques, but once you get it right, man, you are ready to roll, because this is something, as I said, you could use in stocks, you could use in crypto, you could use in the short term, long term. Trend trading, when you implement the right strategy, can do you wonders. And now, guys, for the moment of truth, we're going to be talking about the project of the day, guys. We're going to be bringing to you BSCBAY. You guys saw it on the channel. It's the first decentralized launchpad that rewards you guys. So without further ado, fellas, let's tap right in. So fellas, as you can see, we are now live and direct on the website. Boom, the first decentralized launchpad that rewards you, the BSC ecosystem, auto USDT distribution, launchpad, DexPad, token minting, lockers, and analytics, all at the tip of your fingers. So when we talk about trading, that's on the day trend or on the week trend or on the month trade, but projects like this, man, they're here for the long term. So looking at this, you can check out BSCB Marketplace, the market cap on this project. And if you're still there wondering why BSCBAY, well, fellas, you could earn 5% USDT reflection rewards every 4 hours. This goes automatically into your wallets. So we like to see this. And unlike volume-based unsustainable projects, guys, they make sure to put together a sustainable passive income stream through Launchpad, DexPad, and supporting tools whose income directly flows into the investor rewards pool. So we love to see it. And looking past that, BSCBAY is a blockchain innovation hub with a combination of the Launchpad and decentralized Launchpad, all at the right place, all put together. So really love to see it. So now I'm just going to talk about a few of the many BSCBAY features, guys. You can check out that it's redistributed in USDT. 5% of every transaction is redistributed to all holders. You could hold BSCB tokens, earn USDT, and a minimum of 200,000 tokens in order to receive the reward. So you also have the liquidity pool right over here, the auto buyback and burn, auto USDT distribution. You have the launch pads. You can check out what's going on over here, again allowing new projects to showcase new crypto products and attract investors. You have the DEX pad right over here, the liquidity and token locker, the token mint victory. So really love to see you have unprecedented velocity at the same time. And just look at these earnings, man, available for you all the way around, man. All investors will pay 10% transaction fee, 5% goes as auto USDT rewards, 1% goes towards liquidity, 2% is utilized for marketing budgets, and 1% will be used for auto buyback BSCB tokens to sustain and grow BSC price constantly. So again, we love to see. You could check out more about the launch pad. You can see exactly what's going on, collecting a one-time fee from the projects in the form of BNB, for which they're given an equal worth of BSCB dividend tokens, allowing to earn USDT from this pool. So again, guys, we love to see it. I'm going to be also putting the link to the up next crypto one, where we go a little bit more in depth into this project. You guys can check out the ecosystem, exactly what's going on over here, different points on the roadmap, again building a suite of tools designed to help millions. And just take a look at their roadmap. They have a whole lot planned for us. Right now we are on February, and you guys can check out the external KYC and audit, partnerships and developments, marketing campaigns, daily giveaways and lotteries. You have the pre-sale and PancakeSwap listings, dev team expansions, a whole lot of news coming very soon, and I just can't wait to see it happen, man. You have play turn games right over here. You have charts and analytic launches, again post launches here as well, all at the same time, all at the tip of your fingers. And are you ready to accelerate your earnings, you just have to click that start now button. You could apply as a project, you could buy them on PancakeSwap. So a whole lot of variety all the way around with this project. Big shout out to BSCBAY, man. And that is all the time we have for today, guys. We took a look at BSCBAY, and before that we looked at major trend trading, how to create a profitable strategy for yourself in the short term and the long term using RSIs and different indicators. So guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We have a whole lot of projects coming up. We have a whole lot of trading strategies and techniques coming up. So you want to be tuned in for that. Up next trades, man.